Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 8th of July. And first of all, national news. Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh under fire for remarks on Mamata Banerjee. Jyotiraditya Scindia assumed additional charge of steel ministry. After ban on wheat exports, India tightened rules for flour too. Security agencies in Jammu and Kashmir have sounded an alarm over encounters and infiltration attempts by foreign terrorists along the line of control. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday, July 7, inaugurated Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam in Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi. Former NITI Aayog chief Amitabh Kant has been appointed G-20 Sherpa for the crucial year of presidency. Mother 53, her two daughters together cleared Tripura board exams. 4 Pak fishermen caught in Gujarat's Kutch, 10 boats seized. India-China ties must be based on 3 mutuals. S. Shankar to Chinese counterpart. In the new cabinet, 25 ministers will be from the BJP, 13 from Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. Sources set. G anchor charge in fake news case seeks urgent Supreme Court hearing. Trinamool Congress leader, 2 aides murdered in West Bengal town. Indo-Nepal bus service begin from Bengal Siliguri. The bus service will boost the tourism in India and Nepal. Official set. Rajasthan announced government jobs for sons of Tailor Kanhaiya. And now some international news. US freezed assets of international network selling Iranian oil. Afghan soil won't be used to launch attacks on other nations, Taliban chief. Need calmness, unity. UK's Liz Truss after Boris Johnson resigned. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson resigned. Woman living in Belgium said to be mayor of Tokyo district 9,000 km away. Rishi Sunak, now a top contender for UK Prime Minister. And now some sports news. I will miss you. Sania Mirza's heartfelt goodbye note to Wimbledon after semi-final loss in mixed doubles. Malaysia Masters PV Sindhu HS Pranoy march into quarter-finals. India women versus Sri Lanka women third ODI highlights. India win by 39 runs, complete clean sweep. And now let's have a look on weather. IMD said for Delhi that the maximum temperature is likely to fall by a few notches to 33 degrees Celsius on July 9. The minimum temperature is likely to be around 27 or 28 degrees Celsius over the next 6 days. Northwest India monsoon spike. Delhi, West UP, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Rajasthan in for heavy rains from July 7 to 10. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.